We had a little visitor last night. There's many problems as pigeons cause in your garden. This one's injured. It's only young as well. So I thought I'd let it stay in shed last night. Seems okay now though. Just got a bit of a problem, it can't fly. And as much as they're a nuisance for eating your brassicas, I couldn't leave it at mercy at cats knowing it's injured. Just don't seem right. Well, we'll see how it gets on today. And meanwhile, that big sunflower's come out now. Nice to see. First thing in the morning. And we've got a bit of work on today as well. I'm cleaning all this shed out, getting rid of any rubbish. Spring cleaning. Well, looks like we've got another visitor as well. There's a frog. Sat in top of my lettuce. Seems quite comfortable sat there, doesn't it? Only a baby. Oh, off it goes. So pigeons are notoriously bad for your garden. Frogs are quite beneficial. But all the flowered areas are now looking lovely. And even better when you find more fresh strawberries. We've got new sunflowers opening up the flower beds, and a really good size one too. And other than that, we did offer shelter last night to that pigeon. Annoying as they are and very destructive, especially to your brassicas, but when you see one injured, it can't fly, and we do have quite a few cats around here, so as I say, don't leave it at mercy at cats. What happens to it after that, nature will just have to take its course, I suppose. But at least for last night it was protected. And then we saw that frog in the greenhouse sat on top of a lettuce plant, which some people might not like, but frogs are actually more beneficial than harmful to your plants, because they'll pick off all those little insects that would potentially cause you problems, and they also feed on slugs. So although it might be a strange thing to see, it's not going to harm your plants at all. They're not there to eat that lettuce plant. And we've still got a lot of cleaning up to do. And other than that, I've still got loads of bed plants that I haven't actually moved on yet, but it's definitely time to get some of these planted, if only into slightly bigger pots, since I have got quite a lot to do. Maybe I'll put some more in ground to see what we get from them, or maybe a couple in containers, because I don't think we've got any in container garden at the moment, so I might do that at some point today. Since now the temperature seems to be evening out somewhere between 68 and 75, so it's perfectly warm enough for these plants to be outside now. So we'll see how we go through the rest of the day. So if you'd like to see how these plants get on in that container garden and everywhere else that we've been planting them like crazy over the last month, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next update. You all take care. Thank you very much for watching.